Welcome back to Dawson Design Production Company. Today we are talking about the OnePlus Nord N10. I used this phone for about 2.5 weeks and I loved it. Let's get into the video. Battery receives a 5.75. It lasted all day and I charge it, pick it up in the morning, use it like normal, and then I might not need to charge it for the night, but it'll be dead shortly after I wake up in the morning. So 5.75 on that. 5 means it lasts right to the end of the day. The Biometric gets a 6. It was like the one on the Pixel 4a and the 𝗘𝗾𝗂𝗶𝗽𝗂 6 on the back, but it wasn't hard to find like the 𝗘𝗾𝗂𝗶 6, which has a really flat back. So it was easy to find the indent and unlock the phone, and it was fast. Also, the N10 does face unlock, which was often faster than the fingerprint sensor. Moving on to camera. Camera receives a 7 out of 10. It had 3 cameras, a 2x zoom, a 1x zoom, and a 0.6x zoom. But it was weird if you're doing video and you're switching between them. You should have seen this in last week's video. When I was switching between cameras while doing a video, it would flash white or black, and it was not a smooth transition. It would just cut to the next camera. So it gets a 7. They were good cameras, and I was able to do a vlog like I did last week, but the switching between cameras, the kind of jankiness of all of that means that it gets a 7 out of 10. Design gets an 8 out of 10. I really like the way this phone looks. The back was kind of mirrored, but a dark color. It looked really cool. Display receives an 8.5. I'd say the display was really good for being LCD. It was kind of hard to see in bright sunlight, but other than that, hard to tell that it was LCD. And this is something in the software, but I like that when I pick up my phone, it doesn't show the whole lock screen. It kind of shows as if it had an always on display. It was really smart in how it turned on this always on display. Durability gets a 4 out of 10. It didn't break ever, but the back got very scratched up as well as the screen and the camera. So all 3 got scratches all over them, and it did not look pretty. So that kind of hurts the design look if the durability is that bad. So this was just after 2.5 weeks of use. I can't imagine what it would look like way into using it. You're probably going to put a case on it, so I don't know that matters, but durability gets a 4. External connectivity gets an 8. It has 5G, it has USB-C charging, headphone jack, no Qi wireless charging. Software and performance gets an 8.75. I really like the way the software works, and it was a fast performance. I like the Oxygen OS on OnePlus phones. I didn't actually install Niagara, which is the launcher I usually use, because I really liked the look of Oxygen OS on the OnePlus phone. Speaker quality gets a 4. It was better than the 𝗘𝗾𝗂𝗶𝗽𝗺, but it was kind of just a little below average. Price, it was $200. So price gets a 10 out of 10. The final score for this phone is 70%. Add all of the out of 10 ratings up, we get 70%. And I think that's pretty accurate. I might have, if I was supposed to just give you the percent number, I might have said a little bit higher, because I did really enjoy the phone, but what ended up really hurting it was the speaker quality and the durability. So if you would like to see more of my thoughts on this phone, you can visit dawsondesignproduction.com/blog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below your thoughts on this video. Later.